Hey everyone, welcome to BlogHunch. This video is going to get a bit technical. In this one, we will talk about how to connect BlogHunch powered site to your Netlify powered website subdirectory. The first thing we need to do is head over to the settings and take a look at these domains. This is the two inputs that we need to fill in order to connect the BlogHunch site to a subdirectory. Now, before putting the values right here, let me show you how the Netlify powered application looks like. And here it is. So this is the default Next.js application that I have deployed to Netlify. Now, this right now has only one page. So I'm going to put /news path as the subdirectory to connect our site. Now I'm going to copy that, put it right here, and choose Netlify as the server. Now, once you do that, it's gonna create code block for you. All you need to do is just copy this code and follow the instructions. And the instruction here says that you need to create a netlify.toml file and put the values within it. Now, before doing that, let's save this. All right, now I'm gonna drag my text editor to the screen. All right, so we need to create a file called netlify.toml right here and put all of this within it. Let's make sure we format it nicely, and that's it. So once this is done, we should be able to push the changes to the Netlify server. So all we need to do right now is push the changes to GitHub, and Netlify will automatically start building it.